Hi friends, welcome to the Wellington Studio. I am Shashwin and I'll be hosting the entire program today. So, without further delay, let's go see the lineup of segments for today. Friends, it's time to watch an interesting segment. Can you guess what is it? It's an experiment. Manish is ready to show how to make a water filter. Come, let's go watch it.
Hi everybody, I am Adrian Manish. Today I am going to show you how to make an easy water filter at home. For that we need an empty plastic bottle cut into half, cotton wool, sand, charcoal, gravel, pebbles and some dirty water. Shall we begin? Keep this upside down. Now put the cotton wool. Next, sand. After that, charcoal. Then gravel. At last, pebbles. The filter is ready. Now I am going to pour the dirty water. Oh, look what's happening. The clear water is on its way. Remember, boil the water before drinking. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.
Thank you so much, Manish. It was very useful for us. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our Wellington Studio channel. Now it's time for cooking. Friends, Asandi is ready with a delicious recipe today. Come, let's go to her kitchen. I have prepared a surprise for Mama and Dada. meta pasta. Press boil water in pot. And put pasta noodles in it. Phew. What's this? I need to egg, onion, carrot, and leeks. Into small pieces cut of meat. I need to stir fry vegetables. Fry vegetables. Until the end of this cooking. And some salt. And papers on the sauce. It's sweet so delicious. So now pour noodles vegetables. Piping sauce. Stir it. Ta-da! It's done. That's all we have today at our Wellington Studio. Subscribe our channel for more kids programs. I am Shashwint saying bye until we meet you in our next program.